Keep the settings as the defaults and switch to the ellipsoid tab. Click Set To and choose the variogram model for the ellipsoid ranges. The variable orientation we have made should be selected. Click OK. Right-click on the KR Vane FB2 estimator in the project tree and copy. Go to the ellipsoid tab and tick the variable orientation. Rename the estimator to KR Vane FB2 with VO. Click OK. When you add a variable orientation to an estimator, you can see that the directions are unable to be changed. The variable orientation will now dictate the direction of the ellipsoid used to collect points for the spatial model. The anisotropy of the search will still be controlled by the ellipsoid ranges, and the anisotropy of the variogram model will still be controlled by the variogram's major, semi-major, and minor ranges. Double-click on the octree model you created earlier in the Block Models folder. Select the Triggers and Evaluations tab. Click on KR Vane FB2 and KR Vane FB2 with VO to select them. Then click the arrow to move them to the Selected Evaluations side. Confirm they are evaluated on parent block centroids and click OK. Once processing is complete, in the shape list, change the block model display to the KR Vane FB2 with VO evaluation. You can see how this estimator shows the grade. Now change the column display to KR Vane FB2. The estimator has used the variable orientation to better inform the grade estimate. Zoom in to better see the impact. Change the column display to KR Vane FB2 with VO. Steps completed.